Hi, my name is Bryce, and this is my greatest LEGO Star Wars battle story. Wouldn't it be cool if the Battle of Hoth went a little differently? Luke Skywalker is flying around in his snowspeeder when suddenly Boba Fett appears. It is I, Boba Fett, looking for Han Solo. It turns out Luke has never met this Boba Fett character before, so he asks Han, who is Boba Fett? Don't worry about it, kid. He doesn't matter. Boba says, I, Boba Fett, am the best bounty hunter in the galaxy. You should fear me, Luke Skywalker. But Luke and Han escape and go into an asteroid field. They fly around with Boba Fett hot on their heels. Pew, pew, pew! I'll get you, Han. I need this money so I can have a pool party with all of my bounty hunter friends. Han goes back behind Boba Fett and starts chasing him. Pew, pew, pew! But then Boba Fett hits the wing of his ship on an asteroid. I guess I'm not getting that pool for a long time. The end.